Vanakkam, welcome to Santoshi's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken soup. This is an Indian style chicken soup and it's really delicious and it's healthy. This chicken soup is a great home remedy for common cold. So let's go ahead and start making chicken soup. Heat a wide heavy bottom pan on the stove. We are going to dry roast some spices for the chicken soup. 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and 5 dry red chilies. These are very spicy, so if you want to make it mild, just add 1 or 2. So dry roast the spices until they turn light brown in color. You can hear a tiny crackling noise. When the whole spices are dry roasted, they make this tiny crackling noise. Now you can see the spices have turned brown in color, so I'm going to switch off the stove. Transfer the spices into a plate and let them cool down. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use vegetable oil or olive oil for this recipe. You can use actually any cooking oil you like. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds start making this tiny crackling noise, add chopped onion. I have peeled and crushed garlic. So this is freshly peeled and crushed garlic. So I'm going to add crushed garlic. I have peeled and crushed ginger root. So I'm adding crushed ginger. Cook the contents in medium heat for about 3 minutes. Add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Once the soup is ready, you can try and add more salt if needed. Salt is a personal preference, so you can adjust it according to your taste. Now you can add the chicken. So you can use chicken breast meat or chicken thighs. Cut them into small pieces. Actually, I'm using chicken with bone in because the bone has the nice flavor of the chicken. So I want the flavors from the bone in my soup. So I'm going to use my chicken with bone in. So I bought a whole chicken and cut it into small pieces, and if you prefer to try this kind of chicken soup with the bone in, you can do the same. Now I'm going to add chopped tomatoes. Now cook the chicken for 5 minutes in medium heat. The dry roasted spices have cooled down, so I'm going to blend them into a coarse powder. I blended the spices into a coarse powder. I'm going to add that, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix the contents well. Add 4 cups of water. Close the pan with the lid and cook in medium heat until the chicken is cooked. The chicken is cooked and the soup is looking delicious. Add some freshly chopped cilantro and switch off the heat. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions about this recipe, please share them in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them for you.